The sound-eating elephant, Glugloo's rainbow fart. Louie built a tall tower. He used colorful blocks. But, oh no, the tower fell down. Louie was very mad, but suddenly he turned around. There stood Glugloo, the clear elephant. Inside his tummy, shiny balloons were glowing. Glugloo opened its mouth wide with a gul-gul sound and gobbled up the eng sound that Roo was about to emit. Then, a pink balloon popped into existence inside Glugloo's transparent body. Roo now knew it was fun to play with Glugloo, listening to his own sounds. At that moment, a red balloon and a sky blue balloon gently bobbed together inside Glugloo's belly. Glugloo's belly became increasingly filled with balloons made from Roo's sounds. Glugloo now contained various colored balloons in its tummy. But oh no! Glugloo ate up Louie's voice and even the voices of everyone in the village. Because of that, the village became super quiet and you couldn't hear a single sound. The villagers could only blink and stare into one another's eyes in silence. As for Glugloo, his tummy was puffed up like a giant balloon, making him wobble and totter so much he could barely even stand. Glugloo, are you okay? Then, Roo's mother saw them and approached with a worried expression. She asked cautiously, but Roo's frustration only grew. Seeing Rook's frustration, his mother suddenly realized something and patted her knee. Right, it eats sounds.
Ah, Roo, it seems Glugloo is struggling because there are too many sounds. But these sounds, how about we try this?
Hearing his mother's idea, Rook's eyes began to sparkle. Instead of just swallowing sounds, turning them into songs, what would happen? His mother approached Roo and began demonstrating how sounds could be turned into songs.
Rhythm. Rhythm.
Rhythm? Na la na la na la na na la na na la na la na la na na la na.
When Roo made sounds in rhythm, something magical happened. The balloons inside Glugloo's belly began to sway as if dancing. Wow! Something amazing happened! As Roo and Glugloo made sounds together, the balloons inside began to dance and mix, creating a beautiful melody. The whole village was enchanted by the beautiful melody flowing from Glugloo's rainbow fart. Smiles bloomed on everyone's faces. Wow! The melody flowing from Glugloo's rainbow fart was truly magical. Bright smiles bloomed on everyone's faces. Now, Glugloo doesn't eat sounds anymore. Instead, it sings cheerful songs with its friends, and those songs become melody seeds that spread happiness throughout the village. In the end, magic happened. Sounds turned into songs. Melody seeds filled the village. Everyone sang their feelings. Oh wait, all the lost sounds came back too. Pop, pop, pop. Finally, as Roo's heart felt at ease, more exciting and cheerful melody seeds burst from Glugloo. And then, everyone in the village, Roo, Glugloo, and Mother too, began to dance along. As Roo learned to express his emotions through songs, everyone became happier and healthier. It was all thanks to Roo and Glugloo.
Wow, this song is wonderful. I feel so peaceful listening to it.
Now, the emotion garden was a peaceful village, always filled with beautiful songs and laughter. Thanks to Roo and Glugloo, everyone learned to listen to their heart's voices. The end. See you next time.